Foods to maintain a healthy weight. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, where we share the best health and treatment tips. Today, we're discussing foods that can help you maintain a healthy weight. The right foods can not only help you feel satisfied, but also support your overall health. Let's explore some of the best options. Number 1, leafy greens. First up, we have leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories but high in nutrients. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help you feel full without consuming too many calories. Incorporate leafy greens into salads, smoothies, or as a side dish to your meals for added volume and nutrition. Number 2, lean proteins. Next on our list is lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like beans and lentils are excellent for maintaining a healthy weight. Protein helps increase satiety, meaning you'll feel full longer, which can reduce the temptation to snack between meals. Aim to include a source of lean protein in each meal to support muscle maintenance and weight management. Number 3, whole grains. Whole grains are another essential component for weight management. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole grain bread are rich in fiber and nutrients. Fiber helps keep you full and satisfied, making it easier to control your appetite. Try swapping refined grains for whole grains to boost your intake of healthy carbohydrates. Number 4, fruits. Fruits are not only delicious, but also a great way to maintain a healthy weight. They are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, which can help curb your appetite. Berries, apples, oranges, and bananas are all excellent choices. Enjoy them as snacks. Add them to smoothies or include them in your meals for a sweet, nutritious treat. Number 5, nuts and seeds. Next, we have nuts and seeds. While they are calorie-dense, a small handful can provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a satisfying snack. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great options. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as it's easy to overeat nuts and seeds. Number 6, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another fantastic food for weight management. It is high in protein and can be quite filling. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. You can enjoy it with fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious snack or breakfast option. Number 7, legumes. Lastly, don't forget legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber, making them excellent for weight maintenance. They can help keep you satisfied while providing essential nutrients. Add legumes to salads, soups, or as a main dish for a healthy, filling meal. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help you maintain a healthy weight while providing your body with the nutrients it needs. Remember, moderation and balance are key, so enjoy a variety of foods for optimal health. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. What are your favorite foods for maintaining a healthy weight? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.